So this is my Dyson Torque Drive vacuum that I've been wanting because our Shark is finally to you, and we still have our Roomba that we still use. This is my unboxing.
And for all the sexist people out there, yes, I use it.
So,
A lot. I'm just kidding.
the black one was sold out online at Dyson, so we had to get the blue one. If you buy on Dyson, you got like $200 off, free shipping, because y'all know I'm cheap, and an extra $75 worth of accessories. Oh yeah, I have to find the accessories.
Check Dominic's room, probably.
Huh?
Check Dominic's room,
Oh, he
probably.
probably did use it.
No, I think I put them, well, when I put them away, I had a little
I'm
basket
gonna
in the
put
laundry
this
room,
because I'm
but
gonna hurt myself if I try to.
can you push it way back so it doesn't fall on you, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is, this is for the warranty. We'll keep this with our other stuff.
Don't know what if you scanning that code? No,
Oh,
just
so
kidding.
this is the QR code for our warranty. This is more of the parts. I'm trying to do this in another room. I look super hot. Here.
Damn.
So the reason that we got the V-11 is over the V10, we went back and forth. The V10 and V11 had 1 hour charging, or 1 hour run times. This is a cute little, which I think we have something very similar with our extra tools. And they have the new, the new, I'll show you, the Cyclone is going down, so apparently it improves suction on the V10 and V11. I do like the blue color. I was not a fan of the orange, but whatever. My guilty pleasure.
That is a nice looking one.
The blue, yeah. My guilty pleasure is watching cleaning videos. It's like what I do. Pete makes fun of me. But so, so with the older models, this is like an L shape. So it doesn't have as much suction apparently.
It's not as efficient.
It's not as efficient. So with the V10, the only thing that made me want the V10 over the V11 is that it had this like dog hair brush that you could only get with a V10. And when we looked for it online, it's like $78 on Amazon, which the V11 is, what was it, $60 more, $50 more?
Something like that.
Something like that.
And the V10 had the
that was
wood,
the only brush.
the wood floor.
Yeah, so which we do have. However, with the additional tools that we got more. We didn't get the allergy one. Sorry, I'm really froggy this morning. So why else did we decide?
To get this one instead?
Yeah.
Because this one has auto selecting
Oh,
for
yeah,
each floor, and it has digital output on the on the back. I'm gonna have to borrow that. I'm kidding.
So it tells you the battery life on the head of it. So it tells you how much battery time you have on the head of the vacuum itself, and then it auto selects when you're going between hardwoods and carpet. And so your battery life is supposed to actually last longer, because that's one of the main complaints on all the reviews was that, you know, because you do have to keep your hand on the trigger for all of the vacuums, that when you kick it into like the harder cleaning modes or whatever, that it takes more battery when you're doing like the hardwoods and all that kind of stuff. So we have 2 dogs in the house, a 4-year-old, and then we have, you know, the other 3 kids too, which don't make as much of a mess, I would say, as Dom, the 4-year-old. Or is Gunner, the big dog.
So yeah, it auto adjusts. If you go into a thicker nap carpet, it'll auto adjust, and then
like
if it goes to
rug,
rug, it'll kick it up to power. Go to the Berber, it'll lower the power.
So our Shark,
super efficient.
Yeah, our Shark like actually blew up. We've like kind of monkeyed with it to make it work for.
I fixed that thing at least 6 times.
Yeah, and it was Yeah, and we still have our Roomba, which like helps because like we live in the Pacific Northwest, so it's like the rainy season, and we have a big furry dog. So he tracks in a lot of mud, even though we have like a 5x7 rug outside of the sliding glass door. So we make him like walk in a circle before he gets his treat for going outside to try to track some of the mud in that rug. So we do have the Roomba going, and then we also have like a broom, like a two-headed broom with like loops and like a microfiber that we kind of keep going to try to get the dirt. But like we needed another vacuum for like upstairs and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, we had to get a new vacuum.
And it's way lighter. It's
Oh
cool.
yeah,
It's cool because it's way lighter. You can use it for.
Okay.
Say hi, Dom. Oh, so dramatic.
Here, baby.
It's way better because you can use it for regular cleaning. You can use it for stair cleaning. You can even take it apart and use it for car cleaning. So it's just way more user friendly
Right.
for whatever situation. So uprights are cool and powerful, but they just don't seem nearly as versatile.
This is part of the charging station.
Which I will be putting up in the laundry room.
Yeah.
Oh.
You like my juice? Hey Don, where are the other things for the vacuum? The new parts, where'd you put them? Are they in your room?
It's not in my room.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love them. I think one of my favorite attachments is probably
It looks
the.
like a lightsaber. Like
It does look like a lightsaber, but let's put it down.
Like lightsaber like Daddy's.
It does look like that
In the game room.
in his game room, you know?
How did Daddy got that lightsaber?
The attachment that hooks around and can clean like fans,
Green.
the fan blade one that hooks around, that's probably my favorite one.
Yeah. Hey, you want to go watch your cartoons?
What?
You want to go watch your cartoons?
Yep, the Sam crackers.
Okay.
And that's the other reason why we chose the 11 also is because the cleaning videos showed this one being just as efficient and not as cleaning the wood floors as the other wood only floors because it's not rough or damaging to wood floors. So I guess they upgraded
When they did the side-by-side comparison of the extra cleaning head that you can only get with the V11, there was I'm sorry, the V10.
The soft brush one or whatever.
The soft brush head that you can only get with the 10. There was one video, I don't know if I'll be able to find it again in the YouTube world, but he did a side-by-side with hardwood floors on the V10 soft head brush or whatever, and then this one on the V11, and vacuumed like hardwood floors next to it. And this one did just as good of a job on the hardwoods as the other one, so.
The big concern was damaging to the floors, and this one is delicate enough, and it does do the work. So.
And getting all the dog hair up because it's like.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the increased suction power and everything was another big deal. So.
Okay, so this is all the things. Okay, let's put all this stuff back. The only thing is that it takes like 5 hours to recharge, but all of them take that long to recharge. So that's
I don't think anybody ever like goes and
like, yeah, right?
yeah.
So, okay.
Blink.
Well, we should, well, here. This is all the stuff that comes with the actual thing itself. We'll take Dom's water bottle out. So this is everything that comes with the Dyson itself, and then we'll we'll do another one once I get the attachments, and then we'll charge it, and then we'll cut to what my review
What's
is.
that one? That one looks kind of cool right
Which
here.
one? This one? Or
That
this
one.
I don't know. We'll have to read the manual.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah. So we'll charge it because, oh, that's what I was going to show. It does. Oh, it does come. It says it's probably 17 minutes because it needs to be charged. So it says that it comes with a little bit of time, but I think we're just gonna, should we just put it together and do the 17 minutes and then charge it for 5.5 hours?
Go
Or should
for
we
it.
just,
Clean that little part right there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe
Let's
try.
go.
Maybe actually, why don't we put it together and run it over the carpet and then onto the Berber and just see how it acts.
we'll pause that for a second. I can't get these off with my nails.
There's only. Hey Dominic, why don't you take that out there with you?
Tom,
You can have that with you out there.
Dyson, thank you.
No.
I'm gonna call the video police.
Ooh.
Yeah, hello. Yes. Yeah, I have one Dominic over here. He's being a super punk. Give him spankings. Yeah, I heard that. I heard it just kick up right there. Obviously, you don't want to throw the neck at a complete 90-degree angle because that's not how things work. But
Can you not?
she can edit that out later. Obviously, that's not.
You can hear it different.
Are you forced to together?
Just
Nope.
from. So this is just from vacuuming the rug a little bit out here and a tiny bit out there, but it's already full, and that was only like 15 minutes of vacuuming.
That's basically
It's a
just the area you can see on the camera right now.
It's Saturday morning. We clean on Saturdays. Don't notice the mess. So we'll charge this, and then we'll see how many times I have to empty it from just cleaning the upstairs and then the downstairs, and see what my review is afterwards. But I'm
Thanks,
kind of
thanks,
amazed-
Gunner. That's all you. I know it is.
But I'm kind of amazed at how much is just in this small little space. Like literally this rug and that area. Like that's, and like a tiny bit out there. That's kind of crazy.
Oh, P.S. comment or note is the 10 and the 11's canisters were bigger too than
Oh,
those
yeah.
older ones. I think they're about twice the size, honestly.